So our next question is, how many molecules of water of crystallization are present in 1.648 gram of copper sulfate CuSO4.5H2O? As it is clear from the formula that 1 molecule of copper sulfate contain 5 molecule of water. Okay, 5 water of crystallization. So if anyhow we can calculate a molecule of copper sulfate, it will be very easy to calculate the water of crystallization. So let's calculate the number of molecules first. So to calculate the number of molecule, we will use this formula. Number of molecule equals to mass of substance into Avogadro number and divided by gram molecular mass. So mass of the substance is 1.648 into Avogadro number and divided by the GMM. So GMM you have to calculate. So here I have calculated the GMM. GMM of CuSO4.5H2O will be equals to 249.69 gram. How? For copper, 63.55 atomic mass of copper plus 32.06 for sulfur. O4, 4 oxygen atom are present into 16 atomic weight of oxygen plus 5 for 5 molecule of water and multiply by 2 hydrogen atom, multiply by 1.008, this is the atomic weight of hydrogen, plus 16. 16 is the atomic weight of oxygen. Okay, then you will get 249.69 gram. So then you will get 3.975 into 10 to the power 21 molecules. Since one molecule contain 5, then how many water of crystallization will present in these molecule? So you simply multiply this value by 5. So 5 molecule of H2O present in 1 molecule. So H2O molecule present in 3.975 into 10 to the power 21 will be equals to 5 multiply 3.975 into 10 to the power 21. Then you will get 1.987 into 10 to the power 22 atoms of molecules of water. Our next question is, calculate the number of molecules in a drop of water weighing 0.048 gram. So number of molecule you are going to calculate. So what is the formula of number of molecule? Number of molecule equals to mass of substance multiplied by Avogadro number and divided by GMM. So mass of substance is 0.048 multiplied by Avogadro number and divided by GMM. GMM for water equals to 18. Then you will get 1.6 into 10 to the power 21. Next question is, the mass of 94.5 ml of a gas at STP is found to be 0.2231 gram. Then calculate its molecular mass. So it is easy. We know the formula of density. Density equals to mass upon volume. Okay. So density equals to mass upon volume. Mass of a gas equals to 2231 gram. And volume of gas 94.5 ml is given. So 94.5 ml. So when you calculate this, you will get 0.00236. This is the density of gas. Okay. And molecular mass, what is the formula of molecular mass? Molecular mass equals to molar volume into density. So density, you can use this, and molar volume you know very well that molar volume is 22.4. So molar volume 22.4, density is this. When you multiply this value, you will get 52.9. One more thing, I have used 1000 here. Why 1000? Because all the values are given in CGS, or 22.4 liter, 22.4 volume, 22.4 liter is in liter. So you have to change liter in ml. So that's why I put 1000 here. Next question is, calculate the number of molecules present in 1 kilogram oxygen and 1 decimeter cube of hydrogen at STP. Since 32 gram oxygen means 1 mole oxygen contain 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Then 1 kilogram means 1000 gram. So 1000 gram will contain this, multiply by this and divide by this, then you will get your value. And last is 1 decimeter cube of hydrogen at STP. Since 1 mole of hydrogen at STP occupy 22.4 decimeter cube or 22.4 liter, it's the same thing, and contain 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So if 22.4 decimeter cube hydrogen contain these molecules, then 1 decimeter cube hydrogen will contain this, multiply by this and divide by 22.4, then you will get 2.69 into 10 to the power 22. This is the number of molecule.